In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyFitnessPal PDF. MyFitnessPal is a powerful tool for tracking your nutrition and fitness goals. By exporting your data into a PDF format, you can better analyze your progress over time. Let's get started on this easy process. First, you will want to open the MyFitnessPal app. This is the foundation of our task. On your screen, you will see the app's main dashboard filled with your daily food intake and activities. Opening the app sets the stage for what comes next. If you have not yet logged in, enter your credentials. This is important because it ensures that you have access to your personal data. Once logged in, you are ready to move forward. Next, navigate to the More menu. You can find this option at the bottom right corner of your screen. It often appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots depending on your version of the app. Tapping on this menu reveals additional options that are not on the main dashboard. This step is crucial as it leads you to the features necessary for exporting your data. You will see a list of options that will allow you to customize your experience. From there, tap Nutrition or Progress. This will depend on what specific data you want to export. Selecting Nutrition will show you your dietary habits, while Progress will highlight your fitness achievements. Your choice here matters because it determines what type of information you will export. After tapping on either option, the relevant data will load on your screen, providing you a glimpse of your progress and nutritional intake. Now select the export icon. This icon resembles a piece of paper with a folded corner and is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping this icon is the key step that initiates the export process. Once you press it, you will be prompted with options related to the data you want to export. This makes sure you have control over what information you wish to receive in your PDF. After that, select your dates and tap Export. You will see a date range option that allows you to customize the time period for which you want to export data. Choose the start and end dates that reflect your tracking period. This is especially useful for reviewing your progress over specific goals or challenges. Once you have selected your dates, tap the Export button. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating that the export is in progress. Finally, check your email inbox for a downloadable .zip archive containing your personal nutrition history. This will arrive at the email address associated with your MyFitnessPal account. Inside this zip file, you will find the PDF document you need. It may take a few moments for the email to arrive, so be patient. Once it does, you can open it to view all your data in a well-organized format. This step is beneficial as it allows for deeper analysis of your habits and progress over time. Now you have successfully exported your data from MyFitnessPal into a PDF format. This process not only helps you keep track of your nutrition, but also empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. Remember to take your time with each step to ensure accuracy. You are now equipped to use your MyFitnessPal data effectively.